community. Now, what is this, Amy? This is insane. What is that house?
An event venue for weddings, private parties, other fun events.
Wow, so cool. The entrance is absolutely beautiful to this neighborhood. We're not quite there yet, but I wanted to show you guys the...
Am I good to the right?
You are good to the right. No one coming. So yeah, you have to be careful of this little trail here. That is the Seminole Trail, and it takes you, feels like it takes you everywhere. Hey girl.
Hey girl.
Where are we going today?
We are going to my hometown, Winter Springs,
Uh-huh.
the 32708.
Uh-huh.
We're going to tootle around the town center, my neighborhood, and the park, and take a look at what's over there.
Okay, perfect. Pulling out of the lot, what is the first thing that you noticed that we are really proud of Denise for in the van?
I am so proud that the gas tank is on full.
Wow.
I so appreciate you putting gas in here. Thank you.
So Denise is not with us today only because she decided to go to San Diego for an entire week. So Amy and I have been hustling, holding down the fort, and yeah, Mom, if you're watching this, I hope that you're having a great time, and thank you for putting gas in the van. So this is the back half of the middle school. These are some, they look like townhomes, but these are actually single family homes from Tuscaloosa. But we are almost there. We're coming up to the intersection of Tuscaloosa Road and 434, which has an Aldi, everything.
A very new Aldi. It's one of the newer ones. And there's a Dollar Tree in here.
Yep.
There is a bank.
Crunch Fitness, right?
Yes, Crunch Fitness. The baby
all the
goes
rage.
there.
So crossing this intersection, you immediately feel like you're kind of like in a different area because it's very walking friendly. Amy, I would have gone through that. So you can see there's like the Zoo Health Club right there, and then if you just look, all these little shops are connected. It looks like a super cute little downtown, and then all the way over here, just bear with me, I don't have like a professional picture. It's all connected. Well, it's not all connected, but it's in like little clusters, and there's just like little shops. And
New to the plaza is Jersey Bikes,
ooh,
which I
didn't know
love,
that.
the number 4 stuff in the tub.
Uh-huh.
And there's a little green eatery in there, and their baba ganoush is amazing. I love it. On the left, we have Full Buck. That is a great restaurant to either dine in or take out. We stayed there a few weeks ago for takeout. They're really nice, you order online, super simple.
Love it. I see a chiropractor.
Fork and Barrel just reopened. They did some remodeling. It used to be the General Public House. They have another location over in Smyrna. But we went there last week to try it out since it reopened. Delicious.
Love it. What kind of food?
They have lots of farm fresh stuff. I recommend the redfish sandwich and the meat salad.
Nice. Now over here, I know this is Inflicting Fitness. They've been there for a long time. A dance studio.
Pacino's Pet Pantry is where I get all of Giovanni's stuff.
Love it. And Spill. I doubt you've ever been to Spill, Amy.
I mean, I know.
Spill is a really fun wine bar. They have live music. You can sit out on the patio. It's just a really good time. And everyone in Winter Springs knows about Spill.
There is Victoria Edwards Spa. I was there yesterday. I recommend the couples massage. It's very nice. But they do all types of spa services.
I love that.
Yeah.
Winter Springs needed a spa.
Yes.
They didn't really have one.
They've been there for a few years, so
Okay.
they're established and really, really good.
Very nice. So we're just going to go on the town center here.
This place is very fun. It's Kava Bar.
Okay.
There's a pool table in there, different board games. There's an area for young kids to draw on the wall.
Aww.
It's pet friendly and kid friendly.
Okay.
For your fur babies and your human babies.
Oh, I love that. And then the UPS store, Publix. We have our practical things too, our everyday places, and our fun places. And can people golf cart here?
Absolutely, we do.
Oh, wow. How long of a golf cart ride is that?
From our community, maybe 6 or 7 minutes if it's a straight.
Oh my gosh. And what if you're driving?
12.
You drive half as fast as me?
Oh,
Wow. This is a speed racer. That is the Seminole Trail, and it takes you, feels like it takes you everywhere. I know it takes you into Oviedo, and then I know it connects to the Katy Way Trail, which will take you to like Lake Mary. I think it's over 30 miles of trail. And back here, I just love this so much. You feel like you're in old Florida because of these like giant oak trees, and I just love it. So coming up, we're gonna take a left to get to the community. But if you were to go straight ahead, that is the Lake Jessup, and there's mega mansions on the lake. All right, we made it. So again, in the heart of Tuscaloosa, this beautiful neighborhood. We're starting in on the 3 stories here, and it's just a pretty big neighborhood. I'm gonna get over here a little bit. Oh, you have the water fountain, and you have people who are like, we're gonna call them waterfront. Yes. So just really beautiful neighborhood, nice kind of like colonial style here. When we get to the, I was just gonna say, when do we get to the 2 stories? The 2 stories are just like the cutest little mini version of the 3 stories, and they're just as nice. What are the 2 stories selling at? Low 4s.
Yes.
I think the last one sold for like $410, which is pretty dang good for a townhome. So these are really holding their value.
Especially considering the area that you're in.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So we have several in here for sale right now that are 3-story and 2-story, so you do have options right now. And if you're interested, reach out to us.
Yeah.
These stairs, kind of important. That's Winter Springs High School. So all of our kids that go to high school that are walkers, they will walk up these stairs and it takes them directly into the high school.
That is amazing. That is absolutely incredible. I did not know that. That's so fun. So again, this community is just so well planned. Like, you have lots of space. Like these people over here, that's a completely different cute little pond than the other one that we passed earlier. You have tons of street parking, and everyone, well, all the 3 stories at least have a 2-car garage. And don't the 2 stories have a 2-car garage too?
Yeah, the 2 stories have 2-car garages.
Love that.
There's no reserved parking out front. It's all open.
Okay.
So you don't have to worry about somebody being in your spot or something. It's just whoever gets there. That's their spot.
I love that.
This is going to be the community center. You can rent that out for different events. There's a pool table in there that you can come up and play. There's a fitness center, and then our swimming pool.
I love that. We talked earlier that the 2 stories were selling in the low 4s. These 3 stories, we are about to break a record here because we can't give too much away, but we listed one for $475. And again, I cannot tell you what we're pending at, but we do close in bank. And I can tell you guys then. We'll be sure to let everyone know. But the comps were much lower than that, so the neighbors are going to be very happy. Now, what is this, Amy? This is insane. What is that house?
An event venue for weddings, private parties, other fun events.
Wow, so cool. And what's over here to the left?
Over here to the left is going to be the Winter Springs Baseball Park. Now we're going to Central Woods Park.
Okay.
And there are 2 different playground areas. One playground area is going to be over here by the ballpark, so if your kids are playing ball up here, your husband, your wives, whoever, your kids can play in a playground that's covered.
Okay.
There's also a huge playground on the other side where your kids can go play if you don't have somebody playing ball.
Okay.
You can also rent pavilions for birthday parties, family barbecues, things like that.
I love it.
There's huge soccer fields, and you're in the middle of building pickleball courts.
Yes.
This field to the right is where they do a lot of events. We have our Halloween event here.
Wow.
They do music, different festivals. So
It's a lot of space.
Very.
Okay, so we're in Central Winds Park.
Yes, we're in the park.
Okay, very
We've got
good.
soccer fields over here. This is going to be the main playground area and a hiking trail, which I know when events and I stay plates, we posted taking a hike through the hiking trails, and then we got a picnic over here.
I love it.
So, yeah, just down the street from the house.
Okay, this area is beautiful and it's very clean and stunning. Panning around Central Winds Park here, little playground. That's actually not a little playground, that's a giant playground. I see sand volleyball courts, I see the pavilion. Wow, so nice. And there's no one here, and it's a beautiful day. It's in the low 80s. I mean, school probably just got out since it's like early release Wednesday, so man, it's definitely not packed, I'll tell you that. Not right now anyways. The weekends, it's a different story. This field is full of like little league, soccer, lacrosse, all that good stuff. And I see, it looks like a son and father duo over here. He's teaching them how to play soccer. I don't know if you guys can see that far, but just such a great place to grow up as a kid. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. These kids have no idea what it's like to grow up in the city. Wow.
Because living around here, if your kids are old enough, they can basically walk or ride their bikes everywhere.
Right.
They go to the town center to hang out with their friends. They can come to the park to play ball with their friends. Just have a picnic, maybe grab a kite.
Yeah.
Just small town stuff.
Yeah.
It's a very safe community, I would say.
It feels wholesome.
It is.
We wanted to show you one of our favorite things that is close by. Da-da-da! Starbucks. This is a beautiful new Starbucks. We were.
Yes.
What do you think? Just a couple years?
Yes.
Yep. Very nice. All right, I hope that you enjoyed the tour of a little bit of Winter Springs, but a lot of the townhome community today. If you have any questions about that, or Winter Springs in general, really anything real estate related in Central Florida, give us a call.